Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to cancel recurring Zelle payment on Chase in 2025. If you've set up a recurring Zelle payment through your Chase account and need to stop it, you're in the right place. This is super relevant with the latest updates in 2025, so let's get straight to it and save you some time and hassle. First off, why might you want to cancel? Maybe your circumstances have changed, or you just don't need that payment anymore. Whatever the reason, the process is straightforward if you follow these steps. Start by opening the Chase mobile app or heading to the Chase website on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with your secure credentials. Security is key, especially with financial stuff. Once you're in, navigate to the Payments, or Zelle, section. In the app, you might find this under the main menu. On the website, look for it in your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your recent and scheduled payments. Look for the recurring Zelle payment you want to cancel. It's usually marked with a frequency like weekly or monthly. Tap or click on that payment to open its details. There should be an option like Cancel or Edit. Select Cancel and you'll be prompted to confirm. Double-check the details to make sure you're canceling the right one. After confirmation, Chase will process it immediately, but give it a day or two to fully reflect. One quick tip for 2025. Chase has updated their interface for better user experience, so if you don't see the exact options I mentioned, check the help section or search for Zelle settings. Also, if you're having issues, contact Chase support directly, they're usually helpful. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled your recurring Zelle payment. This simple process can save you from unwanted charges. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.